In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create anything you can just imagine in Adobe Firefly. We'll walk through a simple, reliable workflow that starts in your browser and ends with polished AI-generated visuals you can use for posters, social posts, or creative concepts. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Adobe Firefly. This is the quickest way to get to the official site without memorizing a URL. Look for the official Adobe Firefly result and click through to the homepage so you're working in the right place. Once you're on the site, find the option labeled More. This expands the available creative tools so you can pick the experience that suits your project. Firefly offers several modules, but for this tutorial we're focusing on generating and editing imagery in the browser, which is fast and beginner-friendly. Next, upload the image you want to edit. Choose a clear, well-lit photo if you plan to enhance or transform it. Higher resolution images tend to produce cleaner results, especially when you're adding details or changing backgrounds. If your image has a strong subject and simple composition, Firefly will generally interpret your changes more accurately. Now craft a prompt that tells Firefly exactly what you want. Be specific about style, subject, lighting, and mood. For example, you could write ultra-realistic poster of a young man breaking through a concrete wall, captured in dynamic motion. Notice that this prompt communicates visual style, subject, action, and energy. If you know the vibe you're after, cinematic, soft lighting, dramatic contrast, say so. The clearer your words, the better the result. With your image set and your prompt written, click Generate. Firefly will produce options based on your instructions. Give it a moment to render, then scan the results for sharpness, realism, and how well they match your intention. If a detail isn't quite right, adjust a few words in your prompt, maybe emphasize camera angle, color palette, or texture, and generate again. Small prompt tweaks often make a big difference. Don't worry if the first pass isn't perfect. Iteration is part of the creative process. When you're happy with what you see, you can move forward with saving or exporting from Firefly's interface, depending on your project needs. That's the complete flow. Search for Adobe Firefly, open the site, expand your options, upload your image, write a clear prompt, and generate. With a bit of practice, you'll be able to describe your vision precisely and bring it to life in just a few minutes.